Hello, YouTubes and fans. If you're watching this, this is the El Salvador big. This is the El Salvador river pool. Okay, rain pool. But you can see over there. See? See it? If you see it, good. If you don't, sorry. You have to rewind it. Okay, so look at this pool. Kind of getting up. It is. Okay, sorry. And there's thunder too, but I got scared of one because it was really loud and it boom. If you want to see it, there. It's almost close. This is El Salvador. There's no carpeting. There's no carpet in El Salvador, so it's different from Michigan. It's different from Michigan. If you can't hear me, I'm sorry. But the rain is loud. So look at that tree. Look at that tree. Look at that. See it? My uncle and my cousins are not coming because of this whole mess. Okay, just maybe, but people are walking inside the water. I don't. With my pajamas. Want to see again? Take a look. This is horrible. Like, share, subscribe. This should be you should subscribe if you want to see more videos from El Salvador. But I never seen this from El Salvador. El Salvador is different, hot, everything is hot. But this rain is kind of cold. See? Water is moving. I'm definitely going to post this on Sunday. Say bye.